Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On this video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous centerpiece that you can use this holiday season to add detail to your table, a mantle, accent table, or entryway. So let's get creating. I'm going to start by giving these two pumpkins a makeover. I got this from Dollar Tree last year, and I'm going to remove the flowers that they have on top, and then I'm going to paint them white. I started using a paintbrush, but for the second and third coats I used a small roller because it gave me better coverage, so I suggest using a smaller roller instead of a paintbrush. Now I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to give them 2 more coats. Next, I'm going to take this wood plaque that I got from Michael's, and I'm also going to paint it white. After it dries, I will give it 1 more coat. Now that the paint is completely dry, I'm going to decorate my pumpkins with single row strips of gold diamond wrap. I have a few cut up right here, and I'm going to glue them using my hot glue gun. Okay, let me show you what it looks so far. Next, I'm going to take this flower, and I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take it and glue it right on top of the pumpkin with my hot glue gun. I'm also going to add a dab of glue underneath the petals to keep them down. This is a very easy and simple project to do, but your pumpkins will look very beautiful. They look gorgeous, don't you think? Now I will decorate my wood plaque with 2 row strips of gold diamond wrap. Now let me show you one more time how beautiful these turned out. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now to complete the centerpiece, I'm going to use these candle holders that I created on another video, and I will put a link on the description box and at the end of this video if you want to see how I made them. And for this centerpiece, I'm going to use 3 of them. By the way, if you like my t-shirt, you can get it from my Teespring store. I will put a link in the description box. It says Girl Power, let's inspire each other. I designed it as a reminder that we women should inspire each other. We should empower and support each other. Here's a picture of me wearing it. You can also find it in other colors, in sweatshirts, in hoodies, and I also have the same design for your iPhone case and for mugs and tank tops. So, and this is, I also have 3 other designs like this one right here in different colors. So if you're interested, check the description box, and there you will be able to find it. Thank you in advance for your support. Now let's get back to finishing the centerpiece. Okay, I will center one of the candle holders right on the plaque and the other 2 on each side of the plaque. Then I will take my pumpkins and place them right here, right on each side of the middle candle holder. And I'm going to take this flower that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it right in the center, right between, right in front of the middle candle holder, and then I will add my candles. I love how this centerpiece turned out. It's so elegant and pretty. I will be using it to decorate my table this Thanksgiving. I hope you like it too and are inspired to create it for yourself. It is super easy to create and it will add a special touch to your holiday decor. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, click the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Happy holidays!